herbs and spices are everyday life. Natural is the mystic, I and I, me in a heights, oh yeah. Natural, I am on the highway. If you're looking at me, I, you know me,
Hi everyone. Welcome to my program, Your Health is Your Wealth, with me, Real Empress Yudah. On this program, we're going to be looking at some of the foods we eat or do not eat, their origin, and their health benefits. Today, we're going to be looking at okra, also known as okro, as well as lady's fingers, which is a flowering plant in the mallow family. Okra is of African origin and is mainly cultivated in the tropical, subtropical, warm temperature regions around the world. Have you ever seen an okra plant? Or do you eat okra? Well, I do. I often use my okra to cook with my fish or to just boil in water and serve on the side of my plate as a vegetable. So now I'll share with you 5 health benefits of okra. And this information is taken from the Information Nigeria website. So, okra, 1. Okra is said to prevent colon cancer. So by cleaning out the intestinal tract, okra is able to improve colon health by allowing the organ to work at a higher rate and reduce the risk of colon cancer. 2. Okra is said to prevent diabetes. The presence of eugenol in okra helps fight against diabetes. 3. Okra is said to prevent constipation because okra is one of the best vegetable sources of dietary fiber essential for the digestive system. 4. Okra prevents anemia. The iron content of okra forms hemoglobin in the blood and prevents anemia. And 5. Okra aids weight loss. The dietary fibers in okra helps people who are on weight loss programs, as okra has a very low caloric value, so it is a great addition when losing weight. I will end with a video of me cooking fish and okras. Until next time, walk good. Real Empress Yudah.
Natural, I am on the highway. If you're looking at me,